Swing trading captures short-term price movements over a few days to a few weeks.
Markets move in waves, not in straight lines, making swing trading effective in stocks, crypto, and forex.
Swing traders look for breakout opportunities where price moves above key resistance levels.
Buying during a pullback to support increases the probability of profit.
Keeping a trading journal improves discipline and long-term results. Technical tools like RSI and MACD help identify turning points in the market.
Risk management is critical. Always use stop losses and proper position sizing.
Timing your entries on bounces can maximize profit.
Swing trading allows part-time traders to grow their account without monitoring constantly.
Consolidation periods often lead to strong moves, ideal for swing entries.
Drawing support and resistance levels helps identify potential entry and exit points.
Moving averages act as dynamic support and resistance in swing trading. You can trade multiple markets, including stocks, crypto, and forex, using mobile devices.
MACD crossovers can indicate potential trend reversals or entries.
Chart patterns like triangles and flags signal possible breakout trades.
Monitoring key levels ensures timely entries and exits.
Fibonacci retracement helps find potential support during pullbacks.
And planning your trade in advance reduces emotional decisions. Price gaps can indicate strong momentum and trading opportunities.
Volume confirmation strengthens the reliability of breakouts. Swing trading manages volatility with calculated entries.
Consistent small wins lead to long-term trading success.
Entering near support and exiting near resistance increases profit potential. Breakouts provide clear entry signals for swing traders.
Candlestick patterns give insights into market psychology.
Drawing trend lines helps visualize market direction.
Pullbacks to moving averages often act as high-probability entry points.
Swing trading allows monitoring multiple assets efficiently.
High volume validates the strength of the move. High volume validates the strength of the move.
Mark key levels for accurate entry and exit.
Support and resistance zones guide your trade decisions.
Analyzing past trades improves future decisions.
Pullbacks provide safer entry opportunities.
Swing trading is suitable for part-time traders.
MACD histogram signals momentum shifts.
Reversal patterns help predict trend changes.
Always plan trades to avoid emotional decisions.
Breakouts often lead to profitable moves. EMA acts as dynamic support and resistance.
Monitoring multiple assets increases trading opportunities.
Fibonacci levels indicate potential support or resistance.
Protect your capital using stop-loss orders.
Consistent small wins accumulate over time.
Entry after a confirmed breakout is safer.
Chart patterns give clear entry and exit signals.
Bollinger Bands help identify volatility and breakout points.
Mobile trading allows flexibility and speed. Support pullbacks increase the probability of profit.
Always manage risk to protect your account.
Consolidation zones indicate potential breakout points.
Confidence comes from preparation and analysis.
Triangle breakouts often lead to strong price movements.
Trend following increases your chance of success.
Documenting trades helps you refine strategy.
Reversal patterns signal trend changes. Discipline and patience lead to long-term profits.
EMA bounces act as strong entry points.
Combine multiple indicators for stronger signals. Confirm breakouts before entering a trade. Planning reduces emotional errors.
Price gaps indicate strong momentum.
Swing trading suits part-time traders.
Bollinger Squeeze can indicate an upcoming breakout.
Always adjust stop-loss as the trade moves in your favor.
Always adjust stop-loss as the trade moves in your favor.
Breakout confirmation increases winning probability.
Identify zones before entering a trade.
Moving averages act as dynamic support.
Writing trade plans reduces emotional mistakes.
Recognize reversal patterns for safer entries.
Monitor multiple assets to maximize opportunities.
Triangles indicate breakout potential.
Small, consistent wins lead to long-term profits.
Enter on pullback for higher probability trades.
Position sizing is key to risk management. Volume confirms breakout strength.
MACD crossovers can indicate entry points.
Trendline bounces offer high probability setups.
Planning improves decision-making and reduces errors.
Breakout above resistance often leads to strong moves.
Focus and discipline are crucial for swing trading.
EMA bounces are reliable entry points.
Document your trades and learn from each one.
Consolidation often precedes strong moves.
Multiple chart analysis increases accuracy.
Fibonacci levels indicate strong support/resistance.
Trailing stops protect profits.
Always confirm breakout before entry.
Trade plans reduce emotional trading mistakes.
Enter trades on pullback for higher probability.
Combine indicators to increase trade confidence.
Breakout candle confirms trade direction.
Multi-asset monitoring increases opportunity.
Trendline bounces offer high probability setups.
EMA acts as dynamic support or resistance.
Consistent swing trading, discipline, and proper risk management lead to long-term success.